Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mohsen. Today we are going to start the course of Precision Agriculture. Uh, this course is designed based on the course offered in Oregon State University as I ordered it during my visit to the OSU uh, and the USAID project funded scholarship. So I will try to deliver the content that I learned from the OSU. Uh, So let's start with the Persian agriculture. Why Persian agriculture? Persian agriculture, why it is important? Because it is beneficial to environment. It protects the environment. Only precise application of the input is utilized. Less utilization or optimized utilization of resources for the maximum production is the need of the day, need of the era to feed the population, to ensure the food security and all other things. Especially in the countries that are developing where the food is increasing, food demand is increasing at a higher rate. Precision agriculture where site-specific crop management system, primarily cropping system or an agronomy, horticulture, viticulture, animal industries, fisheries or forestry. How would you define precision agriculture? The U.S. House of Representatives in 1997 defined an integrated information and production-based farming system that is designed to increase long-term, site-specific, and whole-farm production efficiency, productivity, and profitability while minimizing unintended impacts on wildlife and the environment. Other definition of precision agriculture includes the apply the right treatment in the right place at the right time, or site-specific crop management, a form of precision agriculture whereby decisions on resource application and agronomic practices are improved to better match soil and crop requirement as they vary in the field. Precision agriculture is actually an evolving management strategy based on the decision making with regard to resource use. Decision can be in regard to changes across a field at a certain time in season or change through a season or seasons. Precision agriculture is actually an integrated information based farming system to improve the productivity, efficiency, and profitability. The lessons we learn are the impact on the wildlife, impact on the environment, and the risk. So the in flowchart, agriculture with minimized financial and environmental risk, with the economics of optimum inputs more precisely targeted, maximize the gross margin. In case of environmental, optimum input more precisely targeted, maximize the gross margin. Optimizing production efficiency. Aim of precision agriculture is to optimize return across a field. Fields do not typically have uniform yield potential. Identify the field variation as described in the picture. The variation in the field with the different colors. Precision agriculture emphasis on the optimizing the agronomic response to manageable inputs that has greatest impacts on production and cost. A successful precision agriculture farming management system is one in which key limitation to optimum profitability and environmental protection can be identified, characterized, and managed at the appropriate location and time. Optimizing quality production efficiency usually measured in terms of yield or response. Yield and biomass sensor are fairly reliable and commercially available. They are mounted on the harvesting machinery to monitor the yield, like combined harvester for the threshing of the wheat and rice. It can consider quality aspects where premium or the penalties are applied. Quality premium should offset yield loss. looking for uniform production quality versus yield productivity. In environmental protection, more precise treatment may offer prospects of reducing the environmental risk compared to the informed treatments. For example, in Pakistan, we are actually delivering the if I have 25 acre of land or the farmer has 25 acre of land, he will apply 2 bags of urea, 1 bag of DAP, 1 bag of SOP to the whole field. He is not considering the spatial variability within the field or field to field. Even if they are unable to access the variability within the field, so they must consider the variability between the fields. So decision tailored to meet crop needs by default should experience decrease in the net loss, provide physical evidence to contest negligent claim, subsidy payment in European countries, lessening the risk, minimizing risk both financially and environmentally. Risk adverse might slightly over apply to ensure the yield, coverage, and control. Increased risk in under applying. So actually, we need an optimized the requirement, the demand of the system or the crop based on the uh, accurate measurement using the sensors or other techniques with the predictive or the reactive approach as we will learn in the next classes. So thank you very much. This is the introduction based on the definitions of the Persian agriculture. If you have any question, you can ask me during the lecture or on the WhatsApp group that we have made regarding this course. Thank you very much.